The grateful heart is always peaceful. Gratitude changes everything. Good morning and welcome to the Global Eye Morning Reflections. Today's reflection is on one of the most beautiful virtues that can transform our lives, and that is gratitude. आज का विचार है कृतज्ञता। कृतज्ञता वह भावना है जो हमें यह सिखाती है कि हमारे पास जो है उसकी खुशी मनाएं, बजाय उसके जो हमारे पास नहीं है। In today's world, we are constantly chasing more wealth, more success, more achievements. Yet, in this endless pursuit, we often forget to pause and thank God for the countless blessings we already have. Gratitude changes everything. A grateful heart is always peaceful. जब हम ईश्वर का धन्यवाद करना सीख जाते हैं, तब जीवन की छोटी छोटी खुशियां भी बड़े आशीर्वाद बन जाती हैं। शिकायतें कम होने लगती हैं और मन में शांति बढ़ने लगती है। Lord Krishna beautifully describes the qualities of a true devotee in the Bhagavad Gita, chapter 12, verses 13 and 14. He tells us that a person who is content, humble, compassionate, and devoted to God is very dear to him. A grateful heart naturally possesses all these qualities. भगवान श्री कृष्ण श्री भगवद गीता चैप्टर 12 श्लोक 13 और 14 में कहते हैं, अद्वेष्ट सर्व भूतनम मैत्र करुणा एवच निर्ममो निराहंकारा सम दुख सुख शामि संतुष्ट सतनम योगी यत्मा दृढ़ निश्चय मैं अर्पिता मनोबुद्धि यो मद भक्ता सामे प्रिया. Lord Krishna says that the person who is free from hatred, full of compassion, humble, content, self-control, and whose heart is devoted to God is very dear to him. सरल शब्दों में भगवान श्री कृष्ण कहते हैं, जो व्यक्ति हर परिस्थिति में संतुष्ट रहता है, अहंकार से दूर रहता है और ईश्वर के प्रति समर्पित रहता है, वही सच्चा भक्त है। और जब मन से संतोष होता है, तब कृतज्ञता अपने आप आ जाती है। The Ramayana gives us a beautiful example through Shabri. Shabri was neither rich nor powerful. She lived a simple life in the forest. Yet every day she thanked God and patiently waited for Lord Ram with her unwavering faith. When Lord Ram finally arrived, she lovingly offered him the berries she had carefully tasted to ensure they were sweet. Lord Ram accepted them with immense love, not because they were expensive, but because they were offered with pure devotion and gratitude. शबरी ने हमें सिखाया है कि ईश्वर को धन नहीं, भाव चाहिए। जिस हृदय में प्रेम, भक्ति और कृतज्ञता होती है, वही ईश्वर का वास होता है। The Mahabharata gives us another beautiful lesson through Sudama. Sudama lived in poverty, but he never complained. Instead, he remained grateful for whatever God had given him. When he went to meet Lord Krishna, he carried only a handful of poha, that flattened rice, as a gift. Krishna welcomed his childhood friend with tears of joy, embraced him with love, and accepted that simple offering as if it were the greatest treasure. Sudama never asked for wealth. His heart was already full of gratitude, and without asking for anything, Lord Krishna blessed him with abundance. सुदामा ने हमें सिखाया कि सच्ची समृद्धि धन में नहीं, बल्कि संतोष और कृतज्ञता में होती है। Today, before asking God for something more, pause for a moment. Look around. You have a family. You have friends. You have food on your table. You have another beautiful morning. And above all, you have God's grace. हर सुबह, हर सांस और हर नया अवसर ईश्वर का आशीर्वाद है। अगर हम धन्यवाद देना सीख जाए तो हमारा जीवन शिकायतों से नहीं बल्कि खुशियों से भर जाएगा। आज आइए हम अपने आप से एक छोटा सा संकल्प लें। Let us make a promise to ourselves today. I will begin each day with gratitude. मैं हर सुबह ईश्वर का धन्यवाद करूंगा। I will stop complaining about what I do not have. मैं जो कुछ भी ईश्वर ने मुझे दिया है उसके लिए सदैव आभारी रहूंगा। I will choose gratitude over complaints, contentment over comparison, and faith over fear. Because gratitude doesn't change what we have. It changes the way we see what we have. कृतज्ञता हमारी परिस्थितियां नहीं बदलती, कृतज्ञता हमारी देखने का दृष्टिकोण बदल देती है, और जब दृष्टिकोण बदल जाता है तो पूरा जीवन बदल जाता है। Thank you for joining the Global Eye Morning Reflections. May your heart always remain filled with gratitude, your mind be filled with peace, and your life with God's abundant blessings. Stay tuned to the Global Eye Morning Reflections every morning at 7, where together we begin each day with faith, positivity, and timeless wisdom. Until then, take care, stay blessed, and never forget to thank God for every blessing, whether be it big or small. Namaskar.